So we're going to do a jumping defensive round kick to the body. This can be the lead leg, and we're going to show you the back leg variation as well. So what we do here on our jumping defensive kicks that we've done so far, we've gone backwards with the back leg, backwards with the lead leg. This time we're going to move to the side. So we're using the lead leg, cutting across this way to the side. So if we're kicking with the lead leg, we're going to skip over or push to the side. As we push, chamber your leg. Now this kick isn't a snap or a follow through kick. It's more like a stop hit to stop an attack, to evade, which is the most important thing. Line of attack is coming straight at us. We're going to move off this line to the side, out the way. So imagine there's a train coming towards us, we're on the train tracks, and we're going to jump right off, out the way. Train goes right past us. So our opponent is coming on this line, we need to get off it. Their attack carries on, they might be blitzing, they might be firing a 1-2. We're going to try and create a good shot to the body, so they're going to be open there. So this shot is to come to the body, okay? Throw that out the way for a second. What we're going to do is jump over, round kick to the body. So it's all at once. As we push off the lead leg. We push to the outside. So the weight goes from the lead leg, heels off the floor. Push over. As we push over, the weight is now on our back leg, and we've chambered up. Okay, so weight is on our lead leg, the leg that we're kicking with. I'm kicking with my left leg because that's the one that's in the front. Sink down, side step, pushing over. As we push over, chamber your leg up. Round kick out, recoil, and then we'll come back to our position. So, weight on the front foot, push over. Weight on the front foot, push over, chamber as we push over. Now, as we push over, we're going to lengthen our leg out at the same time. So we push, chamber, kick as we step to the side. Attack's coming forward. Toe! Toe! Okay, now, if we want to do that kick, moving the other way. So if you were coming with a lead hand there, the lead leg would be ideal. If you're coming with the backhand, maybe we're doing a more continuous base. We're going to push to the other side now. So we're going to get out the way, not stepping to the side. We're going to push to the other way. So we're pushing off the back foot before, lead foot, kick with the lead leg. This time, we're going to push off the back foot, land on the lead leg. So we push up our right leg, land on the left leg, chamber up, kick out. And we're going to the body. As our opponent's going to be attacking to the head, we're evading to the side, getting off that line of attack, pushing to the side, countering with a kick to the body. Now we're using our opponent's speed, momentum, force against them, okay? So it doesn't have to be the strongest twist in the world, it's just got to make impact and use their force against them, okay? So, back leg, push over, to the side. Plant your weight on your lead leg. So push up your right leg, weight on your left leg. Out that line of attack. I was here, and now I'll move right out the way. From that position, chamber your leg, kick out, recoil the kick. We're hitting with our shin and our instep. So we're there. Push out the way. Weight on the back foot, sink in. Heel off the floor, push, push over. Now as we do, push, chamber your leg. As you land on your foot, we're chambering the leg up. So we're doing like a little skip or a little hop. Push. From that position now, we've stepped and chambered. Now we're going to step, chamber and kick. Step, chamber, and kick away. So we're evading to the side. From here, the line of attack is coming this way. So we're going to move out, step over, kick round. For one more. Toe! Get out the way, off the line of attack. Toe! It's the back leg. If you want to go with the lead leg, we push up the lead leg. Toe! Toe! Back to the back leg. Toe!